first I'm gonna wet my face with our NAPCA Moisture Mist. You guys will notice that I use this quite often with all of my devices. Just swipe up and that turns it on. Then you're gonna put 3, smooth it over half the face, distribute it evenly, and then just gonna swipe up. We're gonna do upward movements. So this little device uses a microcurrent technology. It's not just any microcurrent technology, it is a special microcurrent that has been tested by many scientists, and they found that the biphasic random pulse microcurrent has a far more effective result on the skin, and it's going to have a really positive impact on your skin, helping the brightness, radiance, texture, plumpness, smoothness, and the overall hydration. It's super simple to use, as I'm demonstrating right now. So the microcurrent not only stimulates the skin, but it also helps deliver the serum into the skin. Which brings me to the serum, to the other side of the face. 3. Time to do the other side of the face. So we'll go ahead and smear it around evenly. Then swipe up. And we go again. Now the serum is a special Ageloc proprietary blend, which is always going to be the best of the best regarding anti-aging and age prevention in general. It also has a plumping blend, which includes not 1 but 4 different hyaluronic acids, which is incredible for hydrating and plumping the skin. It also contains a brightening blend, which contains AHA, which is fantastic for skin cell turnover, for new growth of skin cells. And this is sourced from caviar lime extract, which has a natural neutral pH, which is friendly for your skin. Also, it contains a sea daffodil extract, which is incredible for reducing dark spots and improves radiance overall skin tone. And as you can see, it stops. So I've done 1 minute on each face. What else? So the sea daffodil is sustainably grown in greenhouses. Also, it has watermelon rind extract, which is helping to hydrate and plump the skin as well. Also full of B vitamins from lentils. It is rechargeable. You just plug it into any regular old charger, set it like that, and you can set it on its side like this, and it just sits and charges, and it'll let you know when it's ready. 3 days only. Price reduced from 7,170 pesos to 3,590 pesos. Only till the end of July. July 31st, midnight, the sale is over. So take advantage of this promotion today. The code is below. And don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends.